Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 2 to the power of x times 27 to the power of x over x plus 2 is equal to 6 to find the values of x. In the first step, we write this 2 to the power of x times, in here we have 27 and we can write this as 3 to the power of 3 and to the power of x over x plus 2 is equal to 6. And in next step, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n, we can write this as a to power of m times n. So, in here, we write 2 to power of x times, in here we have 3 to power of 3 to power of x over x plus 2. And from this formula, we can write this as 3 to power of 3 times this. It will be 3x over x plus 2 is equal to 6. And in next step, we divide both sides of this equation by 6. So we have divide by 6 and it will be 2 to power of x times 3 to power of 3x over x plus 2 over 6 is equal to 6 over 6. And it will be 1, right? So, in next step, we write, in here, we have 6, we can write 2 times 3. And in this fraction, we can write this as 2 to power of x over 2 times 3 to power of 3x over x plus 2 over 3, right? And is equal to 1. And in next step, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m over a to power of n, we can write this as a to power of m minus n. So, from this formula, we can write this fraction as 2 to power of x minus 1 and times, in here, we can write this as 3 to power of 3x over x plus 2 minus 1, right? In here we have 3 to power of 1. So, is equal to 1. And here we have 3x over x plus 2 minus 1. We write in here 3x over x plus 2 minus 1. And this is equal to, we take common denominator, and our common denominator is x plus 2. In here we have 3x. And here we have negative 1 over 1, right? So this fraction denominator multiplied by x plus 2. So we multiply this numerator by x plus 2 and it will be negative x plus 2 times 1. It will be x plus 2. And this is equal to 3x minus x. It will be 2x and negative 2 minus 2 over x plus 2, right? So, in here, we can write 3x over x plus 2 minus 1. It will be 2x minus 2 over x plus 2. So we write in here 2 to power of x minus 1 times 3 to power of 2x minus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to 1. And in next step, we apply log to both sides of this equation. So it will be log of this 2 to power of x minus 1 times 3 to power of 2x minus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to log of 1. And in next step, from log rules, if we have log of a times b, this is equal to log of a plus log of b. So, in here, we have log of this times this. So we can write log of 2 to power of x minus 1 plus log of 3 to power of 2x minus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to log of 1. And log of 1 is 0, right? And in next step, from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b, this is equal to b times log of a. In here we can take this power b outside of log. It will be b times log of a. So in here we can take this x minus 1 outside of this log, and it will be x minus 1 times log of 2 plus, and here we can take this power 2x minus 2 over x plus 2 outside of this log. It will be 2x minus 2 over x plus 2 times log of 3 is equal to 0. And in next step, in here we can factor, in here we have 2x minus 2, and in here we can factor 2, and it will be, we write in here, x minus 1 log of 2 plus, if we factor 2, it will be 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 2 times log of 3 is equal to 0. And here x minus 1 is common, so we factor x minus 1, and it will be, this divided by this is log of 2, and this divided by x minus 1, it will be 2 over x plus 2 times log of 3 is equal to 0. And here, this times this is 0, so we have two solutions. X minus 1 is equal to 0, or this log of 2 plus 2 over x plus 2 times log of 3 is equal to 0. And here we take this one to this side, and it will be x is equal to 1. And in here, we take this log of 2 to this side, and it will be 2 over x plus 2 times log of 3 is equal to negative log of 2. And in next step, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 times log of 3. So we divide by 2 times log of 3, and it will be, in here we have 2 times log of 3 over x plus 2, and we divide by 2 times log of 3, so it will be times 2 times log of 3 is equal to negative log of 2 over 2 times log of 3, right? So in here, this will cancel this, and it will be 1 over x plus 2 is equal to negative log of 2 over 2 times log of 3. And in next step, reciprocal both sides of the equation, so it will be x plus 2 is equal to, and here it will be 2 times log of 3 over negative log of 2. And in next step, we take this 2 to this side, and it will be x is equal to, in here we can write this as 2 times log of 3 over log of 2. In here we have negative, so we write negative 2 times log of 3 over log of 2, and we take this 2 to this side, and it will be negative 2, right? So in next step, from log rules, if we have log of a over log of b, in here we can write this as log of a to base b. So from this formula, we can write this log of 3 over log of 2 as, in here, x is equal to negative 2 times log of 3 to base 2, 3 to base 2, and minus 2, minus 2. And this is our second answer. So we have two solutions for x. In here, x is equal to 1, we write in here, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to negative 2 log of 3 to base 2 minus 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.